Now this is powerful, and I'm all about a quickie. And this is the Swift 4, and it's designed to work with hair oil while you style. It actually has a nourishing chamber built right into it. And trust me, size does not matter. It's all in the design, and this Laifen mini hair dryer is small, but it knows how to get the job done. It's super compact, made for travel, and easy to throw in my bag on the go because who knows when I'll need a little refresh. And this was not a gimmick. The airflow is actually strong enough to push this 500-gram metal ball through the tube. Make sure you're following both me and Laifen for my top 2026 finds here at CES because Laifen has so much more to offer.